How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, we're gonna work on the Honda Accord, and I have a new installation for the car. So recently, a company named YITAMotor contacted me, and then they told me that they have some awesome products. So obviously, I went to the website and I checked one of their products. I get new headlights for the Honda Accord, and I'm gonna show you in a minute why I changing the headlights. And for those headlights that I get, I'm gonna do something else too. So that's why I get those headlights. So shout out to YITAMotor for these awesome headlights that I get. Obviously they are same as the stock headlights, but I really do need them right now, and I'm gonna show you why. If you can see right now the terrible condition that my headlights are, this is my driver's side headlight, and I tried to use a method to clean them, to make them look good. Obviously, it didn't work. It made them look really bad. So visibility is gonna be poor if you have your headlights like that, or if your headlights are damaged, are yellowing for the sun, for the UV rays. It's time for you to clean them or replace them. In this case, this is something that I cannot fix. It's completely gone. It's damaged, so I gotta get new headlights. So this is the new headlights for the Honda Accord. And obviously I already opened this because I couldn't wait. Those are the new headlights for the Accord. So I'm gonna do the installation. I'm gonna show you the installation of these headlights and how they look at night. There is few bolts that you need to remove and few clips. In my case, I don't have the bolt that goes right here. There is a 10mm goes right here. You have to remove that. In this case, because my bumper is damaged, I had to cut my zip ties and then remove this part. You're gonna have two more that I'm missing right here because, like I said, my bumper is damaged, but you're gonna have a clip in here. You're gonna have clip in here. On the bottom of the headlight, you're gonna have a metal bracket, and that's where your bumper attached to. So once you remove the bolts on the side, you just pull the bumper. Once you remove all the clips, and your bumper should come out. Tools, ratchet, couple extensions, 10mm socket, maybe a flathead screwdriver, and this tool to remove clips or door panels. Here on the driver's side, 10mm bolt right in the corner. Then I'm gonna have some clips. It is one here, one here, one in here, on the other side as well, and other two clips on the passenger side and the 10mm bolt on that side. I'm gonna start by removing this one. Keep in mind that some of the clips are really old, and if it's your first time removing these clips, think about getting new ones, because most of the times those clips, when you remove them, they're gonna break. But if you have one of these tools, it makes the job super easy to remove them. Okay guys, once you remove your clips, top, bottom, screws, just pull on your bumper. And I'm just using my jack to be able to have more room on the bottom to remove the clips and bolts. It makes the job so much easier when you have a lot of aftermarket parts on your car. But overall, it should be easy to remove your bumper. To remove the headlight, you're gonna have two bolts right here inside, and you're gonna have one bolt outside. That's why you're gonna need the extension, so you can get to those two bolts right here inside. Once you remove those two bolts right there, there is one more here outside. We remove the bracket. you're gonna have another 10 millimeter and a little bracket in here on top. Remove that one too, and your headlight now is free. The only thing is next, remove the connectors for your bulbs. All headlights out of the way. High beam, low beam. I have some aftermarket stuff in here, that's why it's a little bit different than the stock. Okay guys, so I remove everything from the headlight. Now it makes it easier for me just to put the bulbs in the headlight before I put everything back in the car, because I'm running LEDs. But if you use the stock headlights, you can just leave them on the connectors from the car and then just put it on the new headlight. My running lights, I disconnected from the housing too. It goes right here on the bottom, because it makes it easier to put it when the headlight's outside, so I don't have to look for the spot. I just put it right here. When I get to the car, I just connect the plug for my running light. This is my turn signal. That's in place. Don't remove the plastic from the headlight after you're done, after you put your bumper, because you might scratch the lens. You don't want to do that, so the plastic stays on until you really finish. Just make sure that it's not gonna bite on the edge. Just peel it up just a little bit, enough so you can remove it easily. Before we do the installation, this is my 9006 low beam. Connection right here. My high beam. It's connected. Now the bracket. That bolt is in place. Now the other two inside right here. I'm gonna put them on. I don't know if you can see right there the hole, but that's where the other two bolt goes. There's the second one right there. Now that this headlight is done, I'm gonna repeat the same process on the other side, and I'm gonna show you the end result. This is gonna give you an idea on how good the lights are gonna look when you have brand new headlights. Super bright. And my setup with LEDs everywhere, it looks awesome. Passenger side, bracket is on. Bracket and bolt on top is on. Everything on the bottom is on. And if you want to know what kind of bolt you need, in top of the headlight, 12 volts, 51 watts, HB4 or 9006. Same 12 volts, 60 watts, HB3 or 9005 for the high beam, and 1157 for the turn signal, and T10 for the running light. Okay guys, so installation is done, everything is back on the car. Now to make it official, Look at those headlights, brand new, and the quality is really good, just like OEM. So now just to finish, visibility is gonna be just on point. Nothing like having new headlights, guys. Link is gonna be in the description for these headlights, and plus in the description is gonna be the code for the discount. If you watch this episode, guys, click on the link, get the code, get the discount, so you can get a brand new headlight just like this. If you can see on the reflection on my garage, passenger side is a little bit higher than the driver's side. That's the way it's supposed to be. I didn't touch anything on the headlights. The headlights, they came just like that from stock, so you don't even have to adjust the height on the headlights. Everything is really good. You just do plug and play. If you have alarm, so guys, I hope you like this episode. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to go to the website so you can get your new headlights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace. And Ariel approved this message.